Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here on Resin Bell. Today I have some happy mail. This is from Glitter Hippo. I ordered some glitters last week. That was the first time I had ordered any glitters from them. So I think I just put this order in on Friday and it's already here today. So pretty quick with the shipping. And I'm really excited to try out their resins. So let's check these out. They were having a sale on their website, glitterhippo.com, and oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Yeah, they were having a sale, and their glitter packs were $3 a pack, so I went ahead and picked up some glitter. Solardust.com, that's what it is. Make it solar, make it thermal, make it glow. Welcome to your one-stop shop for special effect art pigments and other unique materials. Yeah, so there's like a little bit about their company in there, and you can check them out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at Solar Color Dust. So yeah, Glitter Hippo glitters. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is glitterhippo.com. But yes, so let's check out this list that I picked up. So, yeah, I ordered it on the 16th, and it's today's I believe today is the 20th? Anyway, it's here already, so, yes. So, I ordered Color Shift Extra Fine Unicorn Magic, Color Shift Chunky Mix Bedazzled, Color Shift Chunky Mix Fantastical, Color Shift Chunky Mix Obsidian Pearl. I'm really excited about that one, and this one, Holographic Tinsel Blends Dark Forest, Chunky Mix Pink Cosmo, and Chunky Mix Millennial Delusion. So, let's check these out. Oh, wow, they are gorgeous. So cool. This one is the Millennial Delusion. I don't know if you can see just how cool that looks. It's like some light pinks and grays and silvers. But yeah. Very, very cool. I'm excited to try mixing those. A lot of different sizes of glitter, so I'm really excited to use those in some resin. This one is Color Shift Chunky Mix Bedazzled. Hopefully you can see. It's kind of got turquoises and pinks. I'm just trying to move it a little bit so you guys can kind of see. That is a really, really pretty mixture there. You can see if you turn it one way, you'll see more of the turquoise, and the other way is like some purples. That's what it was. It was turquoise and purple. But yeah. Ooh. See, this way it's purple, and this way it's turquoise. Very cool. I like that. I like that it has some really fine and some big chunks, and you know, it's a nice mixture of glitter there. This one is the Color Shift Unicorn Magic. So it kind of looks silver there, and then it kind of has a greenish tint, and then there's some pinks in there. So that is some very fine, fine glitter. This is extra fine. So I'm hoping that this will mix in and kind of suspend in the resin, but I will just have to play with it and see. Each one of these, I believe, is 20 grams. So, you know, there's quite a bit of glitter in that package. So that's pretty good for $3. So this one is Pink Cosmo. I mean, that just looks like a party, right? Lots of little pieces and big chunks and real fine stuff in there. So this is going to be pretty cool in a mix, I think. Lots of awesome. Look how cool that looks. Isn't it gorgeous? Alright, so next one, ooh, Dark Forest Tinsel Blend. This is that glitter that kind of looks like stripes, or like sticks, you know, like glitter sticks. And it has like some blues and greens and purples. So cool. It is super shiny and sparkly. That's going to be awesome. Yeah. Okay, and then this one is the Obsidian Pearl. Oh, I love this texture. Look at all those colors in there. But it's kind of dark, but it has like some turquoise and black and grays and like purples, and it's probably not gray. It's like, you know, the light shining on it, but it kind of makes it look gray. But oh gosh, it's so cool. That looks awesome. Trying to get this light to focus. Hard to get this to focus on one spot and just stay there. Oh, I love those colors. Gorgeous. And then this one is Color Shift Chunky Mix. This is fantastical. It just kind of looks like white there, but it does have a color shift. See, there's some green. It's very cool. Trying to kind of get it down lower so I can see kind of chunks it has in it. It does have some large chunks and then some kind of medium, and they're all kind of octagon shaped. It's very mermaid scale looking, honestly. It's very smooth looking, so that's going to be pretty cool. And then this one, oh, look at that. They sent goodies. How cool is that? I did not order this. They sent this along with my order. That's cool, because then, you know, you can get some of the glitters out, so that's pretty cool. Let's open this up. Oh, I didn't need to do that, but so that was pretty cool of them. Oh, and they sent me a this is a sample of iridescent glitter, Peachy Keen. Free sample. Ooh, that's kind of cool looking, honestly. That'll be fun to play with. I don't do a lot of really bright colors, but I may have to try it out. I like how fine that glitter is too, so that's pretty cool. There's their card. Very cool. solarcolordust.com and glitterhippo.com. And then there's a little applicator. Ooh, that's a really fine, that's a nice applicator. It has a very smooth feeling to it. I don't have one like that, so that's pretty cool. That's so you can take like some of that fine glitter and you can rub it into your molds before you start. These are some cool little shallow kind of like little shovels. They're glitter shovels. Alright, anyway, so that was pretty cool of them to send those extras. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So yeah, I am really looking forward to using these new glitters, especially this one. I am super stoked about this one, the Obsidian Pearl. That's going to be really cool. I've ordered some molds online from Etsy. It might be a while before they get here because, you know, it's she's having a hard time getting her supply of silicone mold making materials from like China and stuff. And so some of her orders are on back order because, you know, it's a difficult time to get your hands on materials sometimes. So, yeah, so woohoo! Oh, that glitter. I got the glitter. I got the goods. The glitter goods. So, yeah, that is so cool. Lots of glitter. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you all every single day. And hopefully my resin will be here pretty soon. I ordered some from Illumilite. and they were having a big sale, 20% off. Generally, I buy my Illuminate, my Amazing Clear Cast Resin at Hobby Lobby with a 40% off coupon, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, I'm not very happy with Hobby Lobby right now, so I don't know if I'll be shopping there again. But, yeah, so the Illuminate should be here hopefully sometime in the next week, but we'll see what happens. I know they probably got a lot of orders, so. And also my Sophie and Toffee boxes. I'm still waiting for February, March, and April. So, I think April will be here pretty soon. I actually just got a notice on that one because that one's this month. So, hopefully by next month I'll have it. But one of my boxes is in Chicago, I think. The other one I don't know about, and the April box is just now getting into the shipping thing. So anyway, gonna have some cool stuff coming up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.